John.
Jake.
Hey, John.
Jake.
Jingleheimer said.
This is a fucking joke.
Yeah, I did. But it's funnier because literally, it's just the two of you saying each other's name. You haven't even started playing, and he's already dead.
The ploy is Jake didn't even have a joke.
He's still probably ranting about his girl not having his titties
Not
shown.
showing booby.
Yeah,
Oh,
not
yeah.
showing boobies.
Trinity! She's not showing us her titties! Doja Cat! Cause she's a stupid bitch! She lied to me! And everybody!
No, but are you recording this?
Yes.
What? I'm gonna write her a fucking hate email threatening her goddamn life! Ah! Anyway. I'm sick of it.
That bitch called me oven because I'm hot.
See, this is the exact reason why we need to be playing these games right now, because I
We're
feel
not
like
even in the
right
lobby
now.
yet. We're not even starting the game yet, and Jake's already bursting out laughing.
Bitch, call me microwave because I vibrate particles. I need to not slam my fucking desk. Otherwise, my dad's gonna text me like, "What the fuck is going on?"
John,
What?
my bitch called me pretty because I'm pretty. That bitch called me Discord.
I like that.
Cause she gave me a call.
What? That's so dumb. Jake, are you getting on or not? What's
We're
up?
5.5 minutes in, and we haven't even started the game.
Look.
And Jake's just making some random shit.
Bitch, call me bitch, cause bitch.
John's... Bro, John, you're screeching. It's just so fucking hilarious.
Okay, he Oh my god, I didn't even notice it. It took me a whole ass second just to left a baby super. Nah.
Call me sex because yeah, I do it.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh